You won't believe what this rooster does every morning. This is the best rooster you've ever seen. As soon as morning comes, he walks straight into his owner's room, searching for her bed. It's his daily duty to wake her up for work. When he finally finds her, the rooster hops onto the bed and stands near her head, gently tapping her and crowing as if to say, "Wake up." The moment she opens her eyes and says, "Okay, I'm awake," the rooster calmly steps off the bed and walks out of the room. Job done. If you found this cute, don't forget to leave a like.